unlike Mr. Dior, my mother does not like to receive flowers on Mother's Day.
Hey, what's up? My name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora beauty director.
And I'm Natasha Maldonado, part of the Sephora team.
And we're celebrating Mother's Day. There's so many special women on our lives that we want to celebrate and really honor, and we have some really cool gifts to show you. It's not too late, and there's actually another holiday to celebrate.
So my family's also from El Salvador, and we also celebrate Mother's Day on May 10th. So that's just another way we can gift to our tias, our mamas, our hermanas, anybody that's a special lady in our lives.
Yeah, celebrate them twice if you can. Why not?
Why not?
All right, so first up, we're starting out with some glamour. This is from Yves Saint Laurent, and it's a gift set that basically comes with a lipstick and a mascara and this beautiful little clutch. The lipstick is like your everyday kind of rosy color, but it's slightly sheer, so it's really wearable and comfortable. You can see just has like a really nice sheen to it.
Oh, she's a balmy moment.
Right? So this is like your everyday lip balm. I think it's really easy and approachable for someone who maybe doesn't wear makeup every day. And then you throw in the mascara and you kind of have your everyday makeup look, right?
Yeah.
And this is just the most glamorous mascara I've ever seen in my life.
It's a statement.
Huge fluffy brush, which is always my favorite. I live for the fluffy brush.
Yeah.
And then, of course, finally, the structured clutch, which we love because it keeps your contents nice and safe, and then it has a little mirror inside. So if you're going out to dinner to celebrate Mother's Day or whatever it might be, you can even have a little bag on the go.
What is more Mother's Day than fragrance? You tell me. So I'm obviously going to give this to my girl Cecil's. She's not like a regular mom. She's a cool mom. And whenever I go to her house, I am just like in awe of her fragrance collection. But she is such a Miss Dior poison kind of gal. So this year we're going to gift her the gift of femininity and elegance with the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet.
I can smell the rose.
Smell the rose, you smell the peony, you smell the white musk.
Yes.
You're getting that moment. So this fragrance was actually inspired by Christian Dior's legendary love of flowers. But unlike Mr. Dior, my mother does not like to receive flowers on Mother's Day because she says that the lifespan is way too short. So I'm going to gift her the gift of florals, but in a fragrance. And every time she wears it, she'll think of her favorite daughter, me, and we're just gonna add to her collection.
Smart girl.
Yeah.
All right, so my mom's no longer with me, but when I was little, I remember looking at her fragrance tray. I feel like that's such an important thing between mother and daughter. I don't know, a lot of people have the same memories, I think. So for me, gifting fragrance to that really important woman in your life, no matter who she is like my go-to. This one is from Maison Margiela, and it's Replica Springtime in a Park. It is literally like walking through a huge park, an airy springtime with scent of like lily and pear. It's super fresh. I'm putting you in like
I'm like
in the
really
moment.
trying to envision it.
Do you
Melinda.
feel it?
Yes,
Do you feel
I feel it.
Okay, now wait. It's gonna get next level.
Okay. Am I in a park? Oh my gosh.
Yeah?
I'm walking through
You're
a park.
walking through the park, I know. No, it's so beautiful. It's super light, and for like those hot days when you don't want something too heavy and just want to feel like nice and fresh and have a little bit of that feminine scent, it's gorgeous.
And is that a little pear I smelled in there?
Yeah, a little pear in there. Yeah, you know I love my pear.
Yeah, I like that.
But this is perfect. I think this is definitely going to be my pick for my stepmom this year. It's pretty, it's pink, it's a super chic bottle, and she loves fragrance.
She screams Mother's Day.
Yes.
So Melinda, you may have remembered last year I did a video with Mamita. She's my abuela. We did a fragrance Mother's Day gifting YouTube.
So cute.
And all in Espanol. And last year when Mamita spoke about this fragrance, when she put it on, she was like, me siento como un día libre de primavera, which means I feel like a carefree springtime day. Does that not paint a picture?
Mamita. She knows what's up.
She really does. She's a pioneer woman.
I want to
really.
smell this.
So you get the notes of
citrusy,
the orange blossom, the vanilla. That's vanilla. Vanilla, we know that.
I know. Before I was like, Natasha, ¿cómo se dice perfume en español?
Perfume.
I'm like, I need to get back on my Spanish studies.
So I'm going to be gifting this fragrance to my high school bestie. She just announced that she's pregnant with her first child.
Congratulations.
Yeah, so this fragrance is actually inspired by women who are ready to broaden their horizons.
Okay.
And I think being pregnant kind of falls under that same category.
100%.
So this is for you, Ellie.
All right, that's it. There's so many options at Sephora for Mother's Day. No matter what you want to gift, whether it's a fragrance, a gift set, we got you covered. Be sure to like this video to show us some love. And of course, subscribe so you can see more like this. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.
And Feliz Dia de las Madres. Ciao.